We're going to be putting an attic fan up onto our gable vent here so that we're able to force more air out of our garage. This will help increase the ventilation here because it gets pretty hot. I cut a piece of plywood, this is sheathing, and I traced out with a pencil the hole that I'm going to cut. And then once we've made that cutout, we're going to be putting this guy up here, screwing this there. So this is my 14.2 Romex. It's the 15 amp circuit, but the first thing I did was ground it on that grounding screw. And then with the white neutral wire, bonded that to my white neutral, and then the hot goes to the hot. And then I also used a 2x6 scrap board just so I have a place to put this up here. And now we're gonna get this thing buttoned up with the cover on. This is the finished product. So I got my wire tucked up, stapled, and then I ran it through the top plates here to a switch, just so I could turn this on and off as I want. I might just always leave it on, but yeah, so you can see how it works. I just flip that up, and now we've got a thing that's moving a hell of a lot of air. And I added an outlet here just so I have that too. But yeah, that is the attic fan installation. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and take it easy, everybody.